Hello everyone. Just getting ready because I'm going to drop my laundry and do my groceries. But let's talk about Let's talk about Slation Royale episode 9. In case you haven't seen it yet, I am on the episode as a mentor and as a guest judge. Pagod ako, dear. Noon, grabe. We filmed it. So I just finished Work the World. And then I was here for a week and a half. And sakto, it was the filming of the episode 9 and finale of Drag Race Philippines. So I was on episode 9. And all the while, we were preparing for Cannes, for Cannes Film Festival, for my tour in Europe as well. So, sobrang busy ko nun. Sobrang jet lag. And ang dami nilang pinagawa sa akin. And I have no complaints. I enjoyed it. What do we think of Miss Diva guest judge? No, I tried my best to do the best job that I could as a guest judge. I'm wearing an Olivia Dean shirt because I kind of want to dress down today. I've been dressing up the past few days. And today, dahil mag-grocery lang ako, I'm gonna do errands. I just kind of want to be, cutie patootie lang with my oversized shirt. This is my Olivia Dean shirt that I got when she did her show in LA. And I was there, I watched it. Getting ready here. Best Drag Race Philippines judge. Oh, thank you. Wasn't it supposed to be top 4 talaga for the finale? I'm not sure, but they didn't tell us. They didn't tell us that it's gonna be top 3 or top 4. They also didn't tell us that it's gonna be double Shantae or it's like non-elimination. So yeah. We were also clueless about the final lip sync decision, but I'm happy that Suki stayed because I was really rooting for her on this episode. I was really rooting for her. Spot conceal lang ako. Kasi feeling ko maraming tao ngayon sa Wala ka bang balak mag-beach? I really want to, but maulan pa. And I'm preparing for my show on basta meron akong pinaprepare na show for you guys. We will be announcing it soon. So abang-abang lang kayo dyan, okay? Sabihin namin pagka ready na. Where's Autumn? She's downstairs. Sa baba. Wait, let me get her actually. Pero hindi ko siya pinapapunta dito sa studio kasi ayokong mag-amoy dog yung... I mean, not that my dog smells. Wait, okay. Ito natin si Otto. What's your favorite song in Olivia's album? The latest one? Probably All the More the One You Love. Autumn, say hi. Say hi. Ayan si Autumn. Okay na. I love All the More the One You Love. Something in Between is Growing Into Me. What else do I like? Baby Steps. So Easy, Close Up. Oh, it's such a really good album. Sino nagbabantay kay Baby Autumn pag wala ka? My brother. My brother is here with me. Of all the recorded songs that you did with Reina, what's your favorite? Probably Slation Royale or the new one. Because the new one is parang very club type beat siya. So, kind of like that one. Life in Manila vlog. Oh, soon. Medyo busy lang talaga ako, guys. Ay, pwede mag-apply ng taga-bantay kay Otto. Davao show. I wanna go back to Davao nga, pero like, wala eh. Nga naman, walang opportunity. Good luck sa show. Thank you. Wala akong show today. Wala akong show today. I'm just gonna go to the grocery. Naka-t-shirt lang ako. Was there at Backyard Live? Use Masher, grab a face card, bodyguard. Thank you so much. Oh my god. I really enjoyed doing Backyard Live. That was like my first like musical venue that I performed at. And like before that, I was so scared. Kasi syempre yung kasama ko sa lineup, Lola Amor, like Moira, alam mo yun? So, parang, like, oh. Ayun. So, yeah. Do you cook po? Yes, I do. In fact, I am gonna cook dinner. I'm gonna host dinner tonight. Kaya ako mag-grocery ngayon. Kasi magkakaroon kami ng like malaking meeting with my team tonight. Because we are cooking something up for you guys. Alam niyo naman na lagi akong merong, alam mo yun, big project for you guys every year. And this year, it's something different. Favorite wig. My favorite wig as of now would probably the one I wore for my Beyonce number. The Yaya, that one. Nag-unboxing ka na po ba? Oh my god, yes. That is one of the reasons why I wanted to go live. Kasi meron mga gifts sa akin and I haven't unboxed them yet. Like, ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng downtime to just, really check everything. But, sige, i-unbox natin. Ito sila. O, diba, naka-Lafayette pa. I-unbox natin. Konti lang naman. Kasi recently, hindi ako nag-meet and greet. And I'm sorry, guys, kung hindi ako nag-meet and greet recently. Syempre, it's Lation season and we want to, give the spotlight to the girls, to our sisters. So, I had my time. So, sa mga nagtatanong kung bakit hindi ako kasama sa mga meet and greet, I had my time. Let's ibigay natin yung stage to our station girls this season. Perfume reveal. I don't reveal my perfume. I'm sorry. I don't want to smell like everybody else. But I take pride in being pinakamabangong drag queen na aamoy nyo ever. Wow! But yeah, my look last night, actually, pinagtatawanan namin kanina, yung, nalimutan ko na nag-agawan pala ng alahas. Like, inagawan nila ng alahas si Brigiding. Buti nakaligtas ako. Kasi I was wearing Tiffany's. Yes. Yung? Just sa baba lang, kasi magpa-print ako later. Ayun. Ako yung nakapirma dun sa Tiffany's, so mahirap na. Sobrang bango na madam, kahit ilang minutes na siyang nakadaan palayo, nandun pa rin yung amoy. Thank you. Thank you. Talagang I take pride in being, tanong niyo pa sa lahat. Even my sweat smells like luxury. Wow. Luxury talaga. Come back to Oasis in San Francisco. Oh my God. I love Oasis so much. Finish ako ba sa US? Not anytime soon. Because I just finished my residency. So, pagbigyan natin ng ibang continents. Wow! But I'll be on tour soon. I'm gonna be in Australia. And then Latin America. So, sulitin nyo na habang nandito pa ako. Although, I have a few more, like, konti na lang yung shows ko here before I fly again for my tour. Pero sometime in November, we're gonna do something really, really exciting. So, abangan yan. Hydrate, hydrate. Latin America is waiting for you, Queen. I know. The last time I was there was, I think, same time last year. I think it was in October or September when I was there. Yeah. Okay, let's unbox before I leave. Actually, nabuksan ko na pala yung iba. Hindi ko lang alam kung merong mga names to Pero, yan. Nagbigay ng napakaliit na top naman ito. Kakasya ba sa akin ito? Thank you so much kung kanino man siya galing. There's also another one here from Shea Summers. If I have shows, you can, parang, hindi ko kasi alam if alam niyo kung kanino magbibigay. If meron kayong mga gifts or what, just let us know. We'd be happy to take it. Pero it's not required, okay? It's not required. You don't have to do this every time I'm doing a show, okay? Hindi ko alam kung kanino galing tong dress, but this one is so cute. It's something I would wear. I actually have something like this. I'm not sure kung saang nabili to, pero I have a dress that looks exactly like this, but in like beige or like a lighter beige. This one is from Shea Summers. Ooh, it's so cute. And then earrings na ano, na, oh wow, I love it. Fin earrings. Here. Diba? And then, pearl and like coral, I don't know, stones ba to? It's so cute. Hi, Miss Sasa. Ano na? Nag-blush ako sa sa face ngayon for you kasi alam kong pupunta ka sa live ko. Wow! There's also a letter. I'm not sure who this is from. Hindi ko alam kung kanino galing ito. Pero baka ito yung... So excited for Arizona bonding. I know. Ay! Wow! Back to back. Naka-chat GPT. Wow! Milky. Galing kay Milky. Napakahaba naman. Nagmamadali nga ako eh. Charot. Ayan, oh. Screenshot na lang, tapos post nyo. Charot. Aba, meron pa siyang first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Wow. Na para bang siya, chapters ng thesis. Talaga nga naman. Basahin natin yan later. Plakadong blush, nakaka-airbog. Tama! Oras na para gisingin ang mga itlog na tutulog. And then, meron din ito. Meron pang isang letter. O, ayan. O, diba? Parang parang excuse letter. Napaka-formal. Pati yung yung... Ay, hindi ko tatanggapin to. Walang pirma ng parent. Charot! Ayan. O. From naman to? From Shakira? From XOXO Shakira. Ayan. Basahin natin yan later. Kanino galing ito? Ay, wow! Ang cute! Custom na tote bag. Pang grocery. Perfect. Thank you. Sige, gamitin ito later for nag-grocery. So, natin ilagay ang pang mga kamanukan at kababuyan. Charas. And then, merong nagbigay din ng book for me. Thank you. The 48 Laws of Power. Na para bang magpe-presidente siya. Ganoon, charas. Ito yung favorite ko. Yung... Alam mo, first time ko magkaroon ng ganito. Like, light sticks. Paano to? Alam niyo, nakakatuwa kasi nung Drag in the South talaga, parang concert. Nakakatuwa. Para kung K-pop. Ano to? Ay, gumana. Ayan! Ay, nag-iiba yung kulay. Perfect. Woo! May light stick. Ang ganda. Thank you. Merong light stick na fan-made. Gusto niyo ba gumawa ako ng official fans, light stick talaga? No? Official, no? Pagawa tayo. Sige. Official tayo na light stick. Maggawa tayo ng design. Ano pa ba? Light stick? Ano pang gusto nyong gawin natin na merch? Na official? Pero thank you sobrang appreciate ko to as in. Tinag nila ako, nila Hana, nila Jobeline, Sino pa ba ang mga nagtag sa akin? Basta ang dami nagtag sa akin nung papunta sila ng Drag in the South. Tapos nakaganito sila. Noong una akala ko sticker lang yung mga banner. Kasi nga akala ko laptop, nakapatong sa laptop. Tapos zoom out. Aba, pagkalaki-laki, sabi ko, bakit nag-banner pa? Para naman akong kukompet sa pageant. Di ba ganun sa Binibining Pilipinas? Tapos isi-zoom in kapag ka tinawag sa top 16, isi-zoom in yung mga fans, ganun. Tapos may malaking number, yung candidate number, ganun, di ba? So, ayun. Thank you so much sa effort. As in, I really, really appreciate it. And like, gaya nga nung sabi ko, every time na umuwi ako sa Philippines, parang nare-recharge ako lagi kasi, like, you guys remind me how blessed I am, and you guys remind me how loved I am with all of your support na you go the extra mile kahit na alam mo yon hindi ko kayo nakakausap isa-isa lahat. I don't, alam mo yun, parang I don't have the luxury of time to kiki with you all, ganyan. Pero just know that I appreciate all of you and all of the support that you've been giving me throughout the years. And kahit na, sino mo kausap ko kagabi? Si Odasha, kausap ko si Odasha kagabi. Parang tinanong niya ako, kamusta naman kapag nag-abroad, ganyan. Sabi ko, kaya naman, medyo ano siya, parang nakaka-isolate. Kasi syempre, di ba, wala ako sa Philippines na parang, parang, syempre, importante na yung number one fan base mo talagang, 'di ba, andun ka, nakikita ka nila, nakakausap ka nila. Pero ako, I feel like I have the most low maintenance fans in the world, na kahit hindi kami nagkakausap, na kahit hindi ako nagmi-meet and greet, alam mo 'yon, kahit laging nagmamadali yung team ko pag palabas kami ng venue na wala akong time na mag-hi, hello, ganyan. They're still there and they're still supporting me kahit na, alam mo yon, hindi ko ma-return yung, paano ba? Yung parang personal relationship. But I know for a fact that yung relationship ko with my fans is very strong. That's why hindi ko kayo binibigo sa mga performances, sa mga looks na, alam mo yun, sa mga content ko. Parang that is my way of making sure na worth it yung pag-support nyo sa akin. Na every time na kahit sa stage nyo lang ako makita, I wanna make sure na worth it yung binyahe ninyo, worth it yung alam niyo yung gastos ninyo, worth it yung pagpapalusot nyo sa mga parents ninyo, ganyan. Na kahit na hindi ko kayo nakakausap isa-isa, I am really, really thankful na like hindi nyo ko iniiwan, ganung levels. Oo, as in. So, wala, parang I still wanna make all of you proud. And yun yung nagiging parang boost of parang tawag dito, perseverance to keep elevating, to keep doing more, diba? So, ayun. Sana na-appreciate nyo yung walang sawang pagpapaandar ko. Kasi in that way, at least kahit paano, I get to return back, the support and the level of support that you give me to the level of drag that I'm giving you all. So, maraming salamat, everybody. Pagawa tayong ganito para sure. Sabado mo ang show mo sa November. Yes! Sabado yan. And i-announce namin very, very soon. So, unahan na lang ulit, guys. Paano ba yan? Medyo, siya, exciting. And, basta, sobrang excited ako sa project na yon. So, ikaw pa rin ba ang guest judge next week? Abangan ninyo kung ano ang gagawin ko next week. Photo cards and light stick. Sige, go. Photo cards. Ako na magbebenta nito. Hindi, bilhin nyo pa rin yung ganito nila, nila Hana, go lang. Pero, i-design muna namin and hanap muna kami ng supplier. Na para bang K-pop, tama, diba? Ang nagsindi nitong ilaw, walang iba kundi ikaw. Salamat sa liwanag mo. Ganon dapat. Ano? Kumanta siya. Mali. Ay, mali ba? Sorry. Mali pala yung kinanta ko. Anyways, guys, the new episode of Drag Race Philippines Lation Royale, where I'm a guest judge, is now airing. And the EP of Reina is now streaming on all streaming platforms. Continue supporting the girls. Congratulations to our top 4. We will see them on the finale next week. Yeah. Thank you so much. Nagustuhan niyo ba ang pagja-judge ko sa episode 9? Ready ka na ba sa Sunday makipagbardagulan? Sobrang excited ako. Parang gusto ko ngang manood na lang. Gusto ko silang panoorin na lang, maggaguhan sa harapan ko. Ayun. Anyways, thank you guys. I will be going soon. Thank you so much. Have a great day. And then I will see you on the next shows. Sunday, Arizona Bonding. And then a few more shows here in the Philippines. I think we're announcing a few more. And then that's it for me before I fly again. Because the rest of the year will be, I'm out of the country. So, ayun. November, December, I will be mostly outside of the country. So, kapag naglabas ako ng dates, abang-abang lang kayo sa social media ko. Kasi, usually, puksaan. So, I can't wait to see you all again. We're gonna make the most out of my time here. And again, thank you so much for supporting and like, alam mo yun, totoo yung sinabi ko kanina na kahit wala ako dito, ramdam na ramdam ko yung support ninyo. Kahit hindi tayo physically lagi magkakasama, guys. I am really, 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 really blessed. Highly favored. Booked and blessed. Gorgeous. Skin glowing. Jowa na lang kulang talaga. No, thank you so much. I'll see you guys soon. Alright, ayan.